Okay, so the easiest way to use Schoology and submit assignments through Schoology is to download the Schoology app onto your phone. Now, once you go to your app store and you search for Schoology, download the app and then open it up, and you should come to a screen that looks like this. Now, once you get to this screen, what you want to do is you want to log in through your school. Do not log in through the Schoology.com, but instead log in through your school. Now you're going to click on that search box and you're going to type in Spring ISD. Once you type in Spring ISD, the Spring ISD option should pull up, and I want you to click on the Spring ISD option. This is going to bring you to this page. Now, once you're on this page, you are going to actually sign in to Schoology using your login information, your MySpring login information that you should already have. Now, if you don't, you may remember this picture that I sent you guys to help you with your login. It's basically going to be the last name initial, first name initial, student ID number, and that's going to be for your username. And then the default password is going to be the student's date of birth in the year, month, and day format. Now, once you initially log in, it'll probably ask you to choose a new password. Just choose, whatever password, and then that's your login information. If you need help with your password, reach out to me and I can help you reset that or give you your login information. All right, anyway, so once you log into the Schoology app, it should bring up this screen. It's your course dashboard. Now, you'll probably have 3 different courses that you're enrolled into. The one I want you to choose is the ES McNabb at Home Learning. So you're going to click on that option and it's going to bring you to this screen. Now, once you're on this screen, you have a few things that you can look at. The first thing is you can choose how to submit assignments through Schoology, and that's just another tutorial that you can use to help you with submitting through a computer or through the different web apps. It's just some additional resources for you. You'll also see a link that you can click on, PBL assignments for the at-home learning, and if you click on that, that's going to bring you straight to the Empowered Learning at Home webpage where you can access the instructional packet and more resources for the unit. What I want you to click on is the pre-K assignment submission folder. That's where you're going to click to submit the completed assignments that you do. Now, once you click on this folder, it's going to bring you to this page. And this screen is for the Unit 1 that we're currently in. So you're going to click on this PBL 1, which will bring you to this screen. Now, on this screen is each of the 6 assignments that are due for this unit. Now, remember, there are 2 assignments per week, and the unit is 3 weeks long. So again, that's a total of 6 assignments. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you the animal card sort, since that's one of the assignments due this week. So for example, you could click on that animal card sort and it'll bring you to a page like this. Now, once you're on this page, even though you see where it says submit here, that doesn't do anything when you click on it. What you'll do is you'll click on where it says grades/submissions. That's where you're going to click, and it's going to bring you to the screen that looks like this. Now, once you're on this screen, you're going to go up to that top right corner and you're going to click on the plus sign. When you click on that plus sign, it's going to give you 2 options. The first option is to upload submission. The second option is to create a text submission. Now, I'm fine with either of those. Remember, you can upload some sort of photo or video or scan of the assignment, But you can also choose to just write out a description of what you guys did and how it went as your submission. So that works too. Now, if you want to upload a video, picture, or scan, you will click on the upload submission option. And when you do that, it's going to bring you to this screen. Now, from this screen, you can choose to submit a file from your phone. You can choose to submit a video or a photo. So you're going to click on whichever one that you want to choose, a photo, a video, or a file that you already have. Once you do that, then you will go up to the top right corner and you will hit the triangle button, and that is what is going to actually submit that particular assignment. Now, it seems like that may be a long process as I was walking you through that, but it's really not. Once you get the hang of it, it's super quick and easy to submit the assignments as needed. Now, if you're still having a hard time downloading the app or submitting the assignment, reach out to me and I can help you really walk through that. If you don't have a device or you're not able to download the app or you're having any other trouble and I'm not able to help walk you through that, then what we can do is you can send the information directly to me through Dojo or email or just text message, and then I can actually log in on behalf of your student and then submit that assignment for you. But no worries, we will definitely get that done. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, or you need help. Just reach out to me, and I hope that this was helpful. Thank you.